Today I am going to be reviewing my new fall candle scents. The customer service was amazing, y'all. I didn't even tell y'all. Like, they replied right back. Everything went smoothly. I love them. I ordered them from the Flaming Candle. They are a company out of Georgia. They have amazing candles. I ordered them maybe Monday. Today is Thursday, so they ship very fast. And let's get into this video so y'all can get my initial and organic and just authentic reaction. And I'm excited to use these in our candles, so let's go. All right, so the first scent I am going to smell is going to be our caramel apple. I can smell it through the bottle, y'all. This smells so good already. I'm excited. All right, so it's open. Let's go. Nah, why would it smell? It smells like, wait a minute. This is crazy. I'll be right back. It really smells like caramel. I cannot believe that. Whew, just came straight out of the thing. Like, wow, I'm so happy I bought these. These bottles are the 4-ounce bottles. They have 1 ounce, 4 ounce, and then obviously like the sizes get bigger, but damn, this is a good scent, y'all. I'm excited for this. I'm burning myself a candle. Okay, the next scent we have is sweet potato brown sugar. Let's get to this one. Bruh. This smells like your grandmama sweet potato. Nah, I can smell the butter and every bit of brown sugar from this. What the what? This is a winner. I can't wait for this one too. Yeah, you can smell it through the bottle. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Our next scent is vanilla pumpkin pie. This is giving me fall everything. Bruh. Ooh. 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 They got some undertone. Okay. Okay. This is really cute. The last scent, the masculine for the men. Even though you want the yummy sweet potato, caramel, apple, we got you tobacco caramel. Let's see what this smells. Everyone has been asking me about this one too, because tobacco and caramel is a very interesting mixture for sure. But I'm gonna tell y'all it was real. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is. You know I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh my gosh! This is so good! Y'all, it smells like a man for sure, okay? Like your man is wearing this on as his cologne. But it also has like my sniffer. Also has like a sweet smell. So it don't smell like a musty man. You know what I'm saying? Sweet, like, you know what I'm saying? Nah. This right here. This ish right here. This it. This that thing. The thing. Dang. Dang, I can't stop smelling it, y'all. It's cologne for real. Like a nice cologne. Oop, my hair done fell down. Messy bun. The bun said, no ma'am, not today. They also give you this free fragrance sample, which I didn't even know. I definitely wasn't expecting. But I'm blessed. I'm happy. Thank you. So here it is, the free fragrance. And so let's see what this is. So no sense. You don't even know. So this is called Black Raspberry Vanilla. Ooh, it smells really, kind of like a, well, not really black cherry, but raspberry. This smell like it can be in the bubble bath scent. It can be in like the bathroom candle. This could be like a smoothie. Like it gives you that like that type of feeling, you know what I'm saying? Just oh no, let me smell it again. Yeah, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna do something with this. Thank you so much, Flaming Candle. That concludes my video for today. I love these scents. These are for my fall collection. We will have a 3-wick candle, which will be $20. We have a 2-wick candle, which is the mini. It will be $10. And we have our Maxwell's. Maxwell's. What is a Maxwell? Wax melts. What is that? Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below, and I'll leave the details in the description.